Hi everyone, in this video I will teach you how to turn off Safe Search Mode on Google. And just an advice before we proceed, Safe Search Mode is much better to be left turned on the devices of the young ones. But if you're an adult and would like to turn it off to expand the content of your search, I'll teach you how. Okay, so for the first step, you can open any browser that you'd like. But for this video, I will use Google Chrome. And once you've opened, just tap in here on the search bar and search for google.com. And once you've entered, you can make sure that the account logged in is the one that you'd like to turn off the Safe Search Mode. On the top right corner of your screen, there is a profile button. And from there, you can switch accounts. And once you've confirmed, you just go back and go back again to that URL and tap edit. Okay, on this one, you're just gonna have to add the word safe search to access the settings. And once you've typed it, just press enter and you will be presented with this screen. And as you can see, there is an off or on switch here right next to the safe search, and you can just tap it to turn it on and off. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, ring the notification bell for you to be updated for newly uploaded tutorials. And I'll see you in the next video.